Alright, today we're looking at a 2017 Nissan Altima SR. Alright, it's got 38,000 miles on it. Super black in color. It's got a clean CARFAX One-Owner. It's a local trade. Alright, we're going to walk around the vehicle. We'll start here on the driver's side. Alright, it does have a nice chrome trim around the windows. Got the chrome door handles with your lock, unlock button here. Alright, got the nice 20-inch aftermarket alloys on there with the low profile tires. Deck lid spoiler right here. Nice chrome trim around the back bumper. It does have rear backup camera. Everything looks really good on the exterior of this Altima. Alright, once again, it's a 17. It's got 38,000 miles. Clean CARFAX One-Owner local trade. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black on black door panels, nice metallic trim here, power mirrors, power locks, power windows. Alright, it does have black cloth, power driver's seat. Driver's seat's in great shape. Alright. Passenger seat's also in great shape. Alright, it does come with two keyless entry key fobs. Okay. It is an automatic. Got your USB, auxiliary, and power outlet right under there. You got your climate control area, AM, FM, CD player, got your push button start. We'll show you all that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel, got Bluetooth over here, got your steering wheel audio over here. It also has the paddle shifters. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. All right, it's got 38,469 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, I'll go ahead and show you the radio display. Go ahead and activate the backup camera. Let me see if I can dim that down just a bit. There we go. Got the guidelines on there as well. Alright, got your push button start. Climate control area here. It's all lit up. AC's blowing cold, no problems there. Okay. And then once again, got your auxiliary and USB here. Then got your power outlet here. Okay. Let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look in the back. Door panels look good here. Back seat carpet's in great shape, no staining. The back seat cloth looks great. Alright, it's got this nice cool design on the insert here. Back seat's in great shape. Got the center armrest that comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here is nice and clean. You can see how much room you got back here. There's a ton of room in the back of this Altima. We'll go ahead and lift this up and see. Let's see, you got your spare tire under there with your jack as well. Okay. And like I mentioned earlier, it's got the 20-inch alloys on here. Got your 20-inch alloys. Got the low profile tires, plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, it's a 2017, 38,000 miles on it. Clean CARFAX One-Owner, it's a local trade. This thing's in fantastic condition. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.